Good morning, children. As you know that we are revising the syllabus, and in the last video we have revised chapter number 1, numeration, and we had learnt about number names, write in numerals, and expanded form and compact form, place value and face value of large numbers. 4-digit numbers, 5-digit numbers, and 6-digit number. So today we'll revise exercise 1F and comparing the numbers and ascending and descending orders. Okay. So here we have question number 1, that is, compare the following numbers, put greater than, smaller than, or is equal to in the given blanks. So the question number A is 8302 compare with 8203. So let us take this number here. Here we have written 8302 and 8203. What do we first? First, just check out the digits, both the sides. How many digits are both the numbers? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, both the sides are 4 digits in number. Okay, so it is in thousands place. Just check out the place value: ones, tens, hundred, and thousand. So the next step is we will check the thousand place digits. Here the thousand place digit is 8, and here is also 8. So now the next step is we'll check into the hundreds place. Here the hundredth place is 3, and here the hundredth place is 2. So which digit is bigger? Yes, 3 is bigger than 2. Okay, so the sign would be here. It means 8302 is bigger than 8203. Understood? Let's take another number, that is 46287 and 46289. It means 46,287, 46,289. So the digits are same: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Both the sides, the digits are same. So we'll just look into the 10,000 place because it is in ones, tens, 100, 1000, and 10,000. Okay. So in the 10,000 place we have 4. Here also we have 4. Now we'll check into the 1000 place. Here the 1000 place we have 6, and another side we have already 6. In the next step we'll just look into the hundreds place. Here we have 2, and in the hundreds place we have already 2 here. Okay. Now next step is look into the tens place. We have 8, and in the next number we have also 8. Okay. Now in the 10,000, 1,000, 100 and tens place, in the both number we have the same digits. Okay. Now one place is left, that is ones place. Just look into the ones place. Here we have 7, and here we have 9. So which number is greater? 9. So the sign would be here. Understood? As you compare the number, just look into the position or place of the digit and check it, which is the smaller or bigger. Then put the correct sign: smaller than, bigger, greater than, and is equal to. Okay? Now the next topic is ascending and descending orders. What is ascending order? Ascending means numbers when arranged from the smallest to the greatest are said to be ascending order, and descending order, numbers when arranged from the greatest to the smallest are said to be in descending order. The picture is shown here that the fences are in ascending order 1, 2, 3. It means increasing order. छोटे से बड़ा, and decreasing is बड़े से छोटा. Okay. So let's take some number here. that is 11,500, 75,830, 8,300, 19,516. We have to arrange these numbers in the ascending and descending both the forms. So first we'll arrange the numbers in the ascending order. So what is the meaning of ascending order? That we have to arrange the numbers in the increasing order. It means that smallest to the greatest. So the step 1 is just check out the digits of the given numbers. So just count the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, all three numbers are having same digits, that means 5 digits, and this number is having only 4 digits. It means it is smaller among the given numbers. Okay, so we will write it first because it is the smallest, the thousands place, 8,300. Now these numbers are having the same digits, so just look into the 10,000 place. So here the 10,000 place is 1, and here the 10,000 place is 7. Here the 10,000 place is also 1. Just remove it. अभी से छोड़ दीजिए आप, because 7 is greater than 1. So just look into the both the numbers. Here is 1, here is also 1. Now check it to the 1000 place. Here is 1, here is 9. So 9 is greater than 1. So this one is a smaller. Then we will write here 11500. After that this number 19516. After the last greatest number 75830. This is the ascending order. Okay, now we arrange the numbers in the descending form. In the descending order, we'll just write the numbers in reverse form. Okay, this is the smallest to the greatest. Now it is the greatest to the smallest. जो हमने इसे स्मॉलेस्ट से ग्रेटेस्ट लिखा था उसे ही हम ग्रेटेस्ट से स्मॉलेस्ट कर देंगे, रिवर्स फॉर्म में लिख देंगे इसे 75830, देन 19516, देन 11500, देन 8300. It means to form ascending and descending order, just check out the place of the digit and compare which is the smaller and which is the greater digit. Okay, now students, you have to complete this exercise 1F, page number 19, question number 1 and 2 in your book. Also question number 6, 7, 8 and 9 in your book, that is page number 20. Okay, and click the picture of this page and upload on Ursal. Now you know that we have less time, so we'll revise the exercise number 1G because your exams are supposed to coming, so we just revise just this exercise also. And you have to revise your chapter number 2, that is Roman numerals, at your home. आपको उसका भी बहुत अच्छे से रिवीजन करना है. अगर हमें टाइम मिलेगा तो मैं आपको वीडियो क्लास ट्यूटोरियल क्लासेस में समझाऊंगी, और हमने वैसे वो पहले पढ़ चुके हैं, रिवाइज भी कर चुके हैं. अगर नहीं टाइम मिलेगा तो आपको रिवीजन करना है, बिकॉज योर 2 चैप्टर्स आर कमिंग इन योर यूनिट टेस्ट. ओके, so in exercise 1G, this is not a bigger exercise. We have only 3 questions here, rounding of the numbers to the nearest 10, to the nearest 100 and to the nearest thousands. So what we have to do in rounding of the numbers. So rounding of the numbers to the nearest 10, to round off a number, we round it off to the multiple of 10. हम उसे राउंड ऑफ करते हैं मल्टीपल ऑफ 10 के. ओके, सो इफ in general, for rounding of a number to the nearest 10, look at the digit in the ones place. If it is 1, 2, 3 or 4, then round down the number to the lesser 10. If the digit is 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9, then round up the number to the greater than. Okay. So suppose to be we have a number here that is 57. We have to round this number to the nearest 10. Okay, rounding off. हमें से राउंडिंग ऑफ करना है नियरेस्ट 10 पे. So this is 57, rounding off nearest 10 पे. So the multiples of 10, the lesser multiple of 10 is 50, the greater multiple of 10 is 60. Okay, so if the unit place round off tens में round off करने के लिए we just look into the ones place. हम unit place या ones place check करेंगे. If the ones place is 1, 2, 3 or 4, so it goes to the round down. And if the number is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, if the number is in between 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, the number goes into the up. Okay, so the multiples of 10 is 50 and 60. So 57 किसके ज़्यादा नज़दीक है? Yes, 60. So it round up to the 60. Okay. यूनिट प्लेस अगर हम लोग नियरेस्ट 10 में राउंड ऑफ कर रहे हैं तो हम यूनिट प्लेस चेक करते हैं. इफ़ इट इज़ कम्स बिटवीन द 5 to 9, सो इट इज़ राउंड अप. एंड इफ़ इट इज़ कम द डिजिट कम यूनिट प्लेस कम्स बिटवीन 1 to 4, इट्स goes down lesser to the multiples of 10. Understood? Okay, let's take another example. 214. Okay, now which digit in the tens place? Yes, this one. So we have to round it off. हमको जो tens place में है उसको round off करना है. तो हम कौन सी place देखते हैं, कौन सी digit check करते हैं? Unit place, ones place को हम check करते हैं. If it is comes in the 1 to 4, so it the multiples of 10 is 210 and next is 220. Multiples of 10 के 10 और 20 के बीच में हम देखेंगे. So 214 210 के बीच में आएगा 220 के. Yes, rounding off 210 because it is smaller. ओके, स्मॉल नंबर तो ये डिजिट सेम रहता है और ये कन्वर्ट हो जाता है आगे के नंबर्स. अंडरस्टूड एवरीवन? ओके, नेक्स्ट इज राउंडिंग ऑफ टू द नियरेस्ट 100. ओके, टू राउंड ऑफ अ नंबर टू द नियरेस्ट 100, व्हाट वी हैव टू डू? वी राउंड ऑफ द मल्टीपल ऑफ 100. वी राउंड ऑफ द मल्टीपल ऑफ 100. सेम रूल, just we check to the tens place. If the tens place is 1, 2, 3, 4, just the round down lesser 100. If the digit is 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9, round up to the greatest 100. Suppose to be the number is 7 to 9. So we have to round it in hundreds place. So this is in the hundreds place. So we will check into the tens place. हमें जिस भी डिजिट को राउंड ऑफ करना होता है हम उसका राइट साइड वाला डिजिट चेक करते हैं. इफ़ इट इज़ 1, 2, 3, 4 इसके बीच में आता है तो डिजिट सेम रहती है. ओके, 7 ये इसके बीच में 2 स्मॉलर में आ रहा है तो आपका 7 सेम रहेगा, राउंड डाउन हो जाएगा ये लेसर मल्टीपल्स ऑफ 100 के. तो मल्टीपल्स ऑफ 100 इसके कौन कौन से होंगे? एक तो आपका 700 हो जाएगा, नेक्स्ट आपका 800 हो जाएगा. ओके, 729 किसके ज़्यादा नियर है, किसके ज़्यादा नज़दीक है? येस, 700 के, बिकॉज दिस इज अ स्मॉलर वन. तो जिस भी डिजिट को हम राउंड ऑफ करते हैं उसके नेक्स्ट के डिजिट सारे ज़ीरो में कन्वर्ट हो जाते हैं. ओके, लेट्स टेक अनदर नंबर दैट इज़ 1550. ओके, नाउ विच इज़ इन द हंड्रेड्स प्लेस? येस, दिस वन. This one is the hundreds place. So we'll look into the tens place. the tens place is greater number, so the multiples of 100 is 5. We'll check into the 1500 and 1600, इसके बीच में हम नंबर देखेंगे. सो 1500 एंड 1550 किसके ज़्यादा नियर है? दिस वन. सो विल जस्ट राइट दी 1600. अंडरस्टूड एवरीवन? नाउ rounding off the numbers to the nearest 1000. So what we have to do? To round off a number to the nearest 1000, we round it off to the multiple of 1000. Multiples मतलब 1000 के हम multiples में round off करते हैं. General for rounding off numbers to the nearest 1000, look at the digit at the hundreds place. Okay, if it is 1, 2, 3 or 4, round down to the lesser 1000. If the digit is 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9, round up to the greater 1000. So here we have a number that is 8958. This is the number. Now we have to round it off in thousands place. So which number, which digit in the thousand place? Ones, tens, hundred, thousand. This is in the thousands place. So we'll just look into the hundreds place digit. Okay. Yes, it is greater. So it means that the multiples of 1000 is 8000 between 9000. Understood? So this one is greater, so it will give 1 to this one. जब भी हम देखते हैं कि जो ग्रेटर है 5 से आगे को डिजिट आ रही हैं, तो वो प्रीवियस नंबर को, जिस प्लेस को हम राउंड ऑफ करते हैं, 1 दे देता है. इट मीन्स विल एड 1 टू दिस वन. सो 9 एंड रेस्ट ऑफ द डिजिट्स कन्वर्ट इनटू 0. ओके, सो 8958 किसके ज़्यादा नज़दीक है? यस, 9000 की. ओके, नाउ लेट्स टेक अनदर डिजिट, दैट another number, that is 29500. Okay, now just look at this number. This is which digit in the thousand place? Yes, this is. So we'll just look into the hundreds place. Yes, this is 5, greater than. So the multiples of 1000 is, इसका 10,000 हो जाएगा. 10,000 का 1 कैरी इसमें आ जाएगा उसके बाद. So it is in 5, so it will give 1 to this one. So we have another number here. 9 का आपका हो जाएगा 10,000 and sorry, one first we'll write here 9,000 and next one is 10,000. Okay, so 9,500 is greater. 5 is greater number, so it will become 30,000 because 10,000 here is 10,000. So the 10,000 place is 29. 2 digit here, 2 digit here. So 0 will remain here and 1 carry over here. यहाँ चला जाएगा. So it will become 30,000. Understood everyone? Like this, we can rounding off the numbers to the nearest 10, 100 and 1000 easily. Do practice of it at your home. Then you will solve. You can solve. जब आप प्रैक्टिस करोगे तभी आप सॉल्व कर पाओगे, तभी आप सॉल्व कर सकते हो. विदाउट प्रैक्टिस, अगर आप कोई भी प्रैक्टिस नहीं करोगे तो आपको नहीं आएगा समझ में. सो डू प्रैक्टिस ऑफ दीज सम्स एट योर होम. अंडरस्टूड? So again I am telling you that revise the chapter number 2, that is Roman numbers, Roman numerals. Just learn it, Hindu Arabic numbers and Roman numerals. If you will get time, so I'll teach you in the tutorial class, next maths tutorial class. If you will not get the time, then just revise the chapter number 2, because chapter number 1 के एक टॉपिक हम अच्छे से रिवाइज कर चुके हैं. अंडरस्टूड? ओके, कंप्लीट योर वर्कशीट. नीट एंड क्लीन हैंड राइटिंग इन योर मैथ्स नोटबुक. सब बच्चों ने मैथ्स की नोटबुक बनाई है ना? उसमें आपको अच्छी सी हैंड राइटिंग में मैथ्स का वर्कशीट का वर्क करना है एंड बुक पेजेस क्लिक करके अर्सल पे अपलोड करना है. ओके, बाय बाय, हैव अ नाइस डे.